In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively stretch text in Canva to achieve the perfect look for your design projects. Whether you're creating presentations, social media graphics, or any other visual content, getting the text just right is essential. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Canva project. If you haven't done so already, open your preferred web browser and head to the Canva website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. You'll find all your current projects listed on your dashboard. Select the project you're working on, or start a new one if that's what you prefer. This step sets the stage for everything else we'll be doing, so make sure you've selected the right project before moving forward. Now, when you've got your project open, let's talk about stretching text. Stretching text might seem simple, but it can significantly enhance the visual impact of your design. To begin, click on the text box that you wish to modify. As soon as you click on it, you'll notice tiny handles will appear around the edges of the text box. These are your resize handles, and they're the key to stretching your text. Hover your mouse over one of these resize handles. You'll know you're in the right spot when your cursor changes to a double-headed arrow. With that indication, click and hold your mouse button down. Now it's as easy as dragging that handle away from the center to stretch your text. You can drag horizontally or vertically, depending on the effect you want to achieve. It's an intuitive process, allowing you to create that perfect fit for your design layout. If you're aiming for a more dramatic stretch, remember that subtlety is often your friend. Stretching text too much can sometimes make it look out of place or difficult to read, so make little adjustments and review your design after each tweak. Take advantage of Canva's undo feature if you want to revert any changes. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always reset or adjust until it looks just right. And just like that, you're done. With these simple steps, you've learned to stretch text in Canva to enhance the aesthetic of your design projects. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment as much as you'd like within your designs. Take the time to explore different fonts and colors, as these can also complement the stretched text beautifully. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to create stunning visuals in Canva. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.